how to set keyboard color to blue, black, or yellow keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then scroll down and tap on High Contrast Keyboard. Tap on the left hand side panel. Now at the top, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then we go down here and we can change the keyboard color. So we can set it to black letters on yellow keypad, or black keypad, or blue keypad. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.